So hello guys, you are welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. So today we would be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI, right? Currently ranked at 166 with a market cap of about $198 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume of about $38 million, and today we are looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI, right? So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So for YFI, we are up about 7.4% for the week, and in the last 24 hours, we are up about 4.5%. And without further ado, let us move to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI, YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4 hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And for YFI, one of the things we have been saying, we always love to draw all our support and resistance levels because we said prices always move from level to level, and the moment price leaves one level, it goes right down to the other level, right? And one of the things we have been in this range for some of you that has been with us, we had been covering YFI through this period, and we said we were only bullish on YFI if we see the 50 EMA, this purple line right here, push above the 200 EMA. That means that we are on a bullish trend, and then we could see furthermore upside. We said anything apart from that is just a fake out, and we could see that push to the upside. So you can see it right here. We push to the downside, fake out, another fake out, push to the downside, but we were expecting some sort of impulsive push right here above the 200 EMA. So we have seen that, and we have been seeing our primary move right here for YFI was a push above the 200 EMA, come back to retest the 50 EMA, and then we could see this huge push to the upside, right? And so as you can see, everything happening exactly as predicted, right? We saw that huge impulsive push above the 200 EMA. We saw the 50 EMA cross the 200 EMA. We have come back to retest the 200, the 50 EMA, and as you can see, we are having another descent to the top, right? So this looks very, very bullish right here for YFI, and so minimum we should be expecting over the next few days is the 6,000 $331 level, which is about a 6% pump right here for YFI, right? And we are expecting to see if we can flip this level right here, this resistance stone support, then our next demand level is right there at the $7,420, which is about a 24% move to the upside, right? And so that is the analysis right here for YFI. Another reason why we are very, very bullish on YFI is basically what you can see right here, what we call the volume profile, right? The volume profile, right, shows us that YFI is very bullish, but as you can see right here, we began to saw a lot of buys coming in right here for YFI. Huge buys coming in. Momentum shifted in favor of the bulls. We saw that huge push to the upside, but currently we began to see more sells, right? As you can see, momentum also shifted in favor of the bears. But even though we were seeing this huge push to the upside, the moment we began to see more selling price action, prices, instead of moving down, right, began to move sideways. Now, this is a very, very bullish move, which means we should expect some sort of impulsive push to the upside, forming some sort of bull flag, right? Bull flags push to the upside, consolidation and further push, right? So as you can see, currently momentum has already flipped in favor of the bulls, and so we are expecting a push to the upside. And this is our two levels which we are expecting. First is the 6,331, and our next level is the 7,420, right? So that is the update right here for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.